Elaine, we had barely taken our seats in the fifth floor courtroom here in Vancouver before court was adjourned today, as we found out there's a lot of work to be done before Meng Wanzhou's extradition process can really get underway. Meng Wanzhou left her Vancouver home this morning, accompanied as always by a security detail that, as part of her bail arrangement, has kept close tabs on her for the past 3 months. Meng was arrested at Vancouver Airport on December 1st on a U.S. warrant accusing her and Huawei of conspiring to violate trade sanctions against Iran. Last week, as Canada said it planned to move forward with extradition proceedings, Meng filed suit against Canadian authorities, claiming her arrest was illegal. One legal expert believes her suit could complicate her extradition by adding new evidence for a judge to consider.
The civil suit gives access to all kinds of discovery and disclosure, which often you don't get in an extradition hearing. During
Wednesday's brief 20-minute court hearing, defense attorneys called this a rare case featuring serious legal factual concerns not common in jurisprudence. They argued her arrest was politically motivated, citing U.S. President Trump's comments about potentially intervening in the case if it could benefit U.S.-China trade dealings. The defense team said it would take time to prepare to fight her extradition.
We are at the embryonic stage of this multi-year litigation that will certainly be appealed to the highest level, given the resources of the person concerned.
While Meng alleges she was mistreated by Canada, some here say 2 Canadians arrested for spying in China are now paying the price for her arrest, although China denies there is any connection.
We are not worried at all about the rights of Mrs. Meng. Her rights can be fully protected and respected in our legal system. But we really concern these 2 Canadians.
There are predictions Meng's extradition case could drag on for years. One legal expert says it's Huawei that should bear the brunt of U.S. ire, not Meng as an individual.
It can be resolved so easily by the United States just simply taking a pen in the Eastern District of New York and crossing out Ms. Meng's name from the indictment. This is a corporate issue. It is not Ms. Meng personally that should be in the hot seat.
But Meng remains the focus of U.S. and Canadian attention. The judge set her next hearing for May 8th. That's when her road to extradition could become a little more clear. And a judge here could eventually commit to that extradition, but it's actually up to Canada's Justice Minister to grant that extradition. But obviously, as you've been hearing here, we're many steps away from that part of the process. Reporting live, Hendrik, Sybrandy, CGTN, Vancouver, Canada.